Hi, Norman Hallett here with your next 4-minute drill for traders. Let's continue our talk on reading the emotions in a chart and how you can take advantage of the undisciplined trader's out-of-control emotions. Now, the comments that I make here apply to all traders of all markets. And of course, really that's no different than all of these 4-minute drills that we do. Now, when I say taking advantage of undisciplined traders' emotions, I'm talking about traders who don't have a trading plan. And if they do have a plan, they don't have the mental or emotional wherewithal to follow that plan to the T. Okay, in our last drill, we covered the candlestick formation called the hammer. And today, I'd like to go over an equally important formation, the doji. So check it out. Now, the doji comes in many forms because the only criteria to be a doji is that the opening and closing prices of the bar we're looking at is the same or within a few ticks. Dojis wind up looking like crosses with no real bodies and short or long shadows. Now, the doji symbolizes that during the time frame of the bar, there was a standoff between the bulls and the bears where nobody got an advantage. But the meaning of a doji only comes to life when the bars after the doji unfold. Wherever the next completed bar heads shows who gains control, the bulls or the bears. Okay, here's the emotional point I want to make about dojis. Now, I've found that to most traders, a doji means that a turn in direction is coming. If the doji occurs at the bottom of a downtrend, it means that we're likely turning higher. And if the doji comes at the top of an uptrend, we're likely turning lower. Now, if that's your take on dojis, you'd be wrong. A doji is just as likely to be a pause in a trend followed by a continuation of that same trend as it is to be a reversal of the trend. It's a 50-50 deal. Traders are always looking for reversals. They want to be the one who picks the top and the bottom of a move. And they want to get in right in the beginning of a new trend. It's ego. And you, as the disciplined trader, you're not controlled by your ego. You, as a disciplined trader, realize that the doji just shows a temporary struggle. And the market can go either way depending on what happens after the doji formation. Now, 2 points I want to make very clear. One, I always ask myself at a doji, if I were not in this trade, would I be initiating it right here? Normally, when I put on a trade, I see an advantage in one direction or another, and I see a good risk-reward, and I take the trade. As the disciplined trader, I see that struggle for direction at the doji, when that's occurring, that may minimize my advantage. For me, it's a great place to take partial profits because the new short-term direction is 50-50. Now, the second point I want to make is you gotta be patient. Don't jump to the conclusion that because the doji is there, that there's a better chance of seeing a turnaround in the trend than there is in a continuation of the trend. It is just not true. I know you want it to be true. Your ego wants it to be true. It's not true. Be patient and wait for at least the next bar. Now, there's a lot more to say about dojis, like gravestone dojis and dragonfly dojis and long-legged dojis, and my favorite, the multiple dojis. But they all give me the same message for the most part. Be patient, stay alert, and take partial profits if I'm in a trade. Now, if you do the same thing, the undisciplined trader will be transferring money from his or her account into your account. Okay, because of the overwhelming interest in what we've been talking about the last couple of weeks, I'm thinking about doing a special private webinar on how you can read emotions in candlesticks and how to take advantage of the undisciplined trader to put money from their pockets to your pocket. Now, if you're on my list, I'll be keeping you posted. I'm putting the ideas together. I'm putting it together now. If you're not on my list, go to thedisciplinetrader.com and just request any of our freebies, and you'll be automatically put on a list, and I'll keep you posted also. Okay, that's it for this edition of the 4-Minute Drill for Traders. So stay patient, and of course, stay disciplined.